Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of the key obstacles in sustaining high customer retention rate performance in a contact center. Let's talk about the operational obstacles that can quietly weaken customer retention. First, service level variability. When demand spikes, forecasting is off, or shrinkage is high, wait times go up. And long waits frustrate customers, pushing them closer to churn. Second, FCR inconsistency. Gaps in the knowledge base, system errors, or rigid policies can make it hard to resolve issues on the first contact. Inconsistent resolution means customers lose confidence. Third, omnichannel breakdowns. When voice, chat, SMS, and social channels aren't well integrated, customers get disjointed experiences. They have to repeat themselves, and that hurts retention. And finally, scalability challenges. As customer volumes grow, if infrastructure and processes don't scale fast enough, service quality drops. And when service quality drops, so does loyalty. Remember, operational strength isn't just about speed and accuracy. It's about consistency, integration, and adaptability. Let's talk about some of the workforce obstacles that can have a serious impact on customer retention. First, high agent attrition. When turnover is constant, service consistency erodes. Customers lose the sense of familiarity and trust, and loyalty suffers. Second, training decay. Skills learned during onboarding or coaching can fade without regular reinforcement. And when that happens, service quality slips over time. Third, agent burnout. High occupancy rates and back-to-back difficult interactions lead to fatigue. Tired agents have less empathy, less patience, and less capacity to create great experiences. And finally, inconsistent performance management. Without strong QA processes and coaching loops, performance standards drift downward, and customers feel it. Remember, a stable, supported, and skilled workforce isn't just good for operations. It's a direct driver of customer loyalty. Let's talk about the customer-related obstacles that make retention more challenging. First, rising expectations. Customers today expect instant, personalized, and frictionless service. Keeping up with that standard consistently isn't easy, especially at scale. Second, low switching costs. In industries like telecom or streaming, it's incredibly easy for customers to switch providers, even if they've received good service. Convenience often outweighs loyalty. And third, dissatisfaction memory. Customers rarely forget a bad experience. Even one negative interaction can overshadow multiple good ones, putting long-term loyalty at risk. Remember, retaining customers today isn't just about solving problems. It's about consistently exceeding expectations in every interaction. Let's talk about the technology obstacles that can quietly undermine retention efforts. First, legacy systems. Outdated ACD, CRM, or ticketing systems lead to delays, errors, and inefficiencies that frustrate both customers and agents. Second, data silos. When customer data isn't unified, customers end up repeating themselves across channels. That friction directly increases churn risk. Third, AI over-reliance. Poorly tuned bots or rigid automation can mishandle escalations, damaging trust instead of building it. AI should empower, not replace, good service. And finally, monitoring gaps. Without strong analytics, it's hard to detect early churn signals or act proactively. Blind spots here can be costly. Remember, technology should be an enabler of loyalty, not a barrier. The right systems make retention smoother, smarter, and more human. Let's talk about the strategic and policy obstacles that can quietly erode retention efforts. First, short-term focus. When leadership prioritizes cost-cutting over long-term retention investments, service quality and loyalty often take the hit. Second, rigid policies. Strict refund, return, or escalation rules can frustrate customers and push them toward competitors. Flexibility often builds trust. Third, misaligned KPIs. If agents are incentivized only on metrics like AHT or volume, they may rush through calls, sacrificing customer loyalty for speed. And finally, inconsistent leadership support. Retention programs can't thrive without consistent executive backing in both budget and attention. Remember, strategy and policy set the tone. When leadership truly champions retention, everything else follows. Let's talk about the external obstacles that can impact customer retention even when your internal operations are strong. First, competitive pressure. Aggressive pricing, better offers, or faster service from competitors can lure customers away, regardless of how well you serve them. Second, economic conditions. During recessions or periods of inflation, customers become more price-sensitive and less loyal. Cost often outweighs convenience or familiarity. Third, regulatory shifts. New rules, like easy portability in telecom or financial services, lower the barriers to switching, making retention harder. Remember, external factors can't always be controlled, but they can be anticipated and countered with smart, proactive retention strategies. In summary, the toughest challenge in sustaining a high customer retention rate is that retention is fragile. It relies on consistent performance across multiple areas: service quality, agent capability, customer expectations, and external market conditions. Even small slips in service level, first call resolution, agent empathy, or policy flexibility can undo months of hard-earned progress. Retention isn't a one-time win. It's an ongoing commitment to consistency, quality, and adaptability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.